welcome back to Pabbly, and come, I'll show you something very helpful today. So let's say I'm going to add the marketing goal, target audience and product and service in this spreadsheet. Now you're going to see that within seconds automatically a content idea for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and X, which is formerly Twitter, and the hashtags will be generated and added into this Google Sheets. And you know what we have to do is we just have to sit back, relax and wait till all of these details are getting added in my Google Sheets. And I promise you all of this is going to happen in backend, and you're going to see the details have been added. You're going to see the Facebook idea, the Instagram idea, the idea for LinkedIn and X, and also the hashtags. These details are exactly related to the same which are added in the marketing goal, target audience and product and service. So yes, you're going to see this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this automation, stick to this video till the end. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, what you have to do, you have to go in the description box below. You're going to get the URL, which is the landing page URL of Pabbly Connect. So go on that URL, and in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So go on that sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application, we have to search for Google Sheets, and then we have to select the trigger application. For the event, we have to select new or updated spreadsheet rows and click on this connect. Now it is giving me a webhook URL. So let's copy this webhook URL and open our Google Sheets. Now we have to go towards this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. And now you have to add an extension in this spreadsheet, which is Pabbly Connect webhooks. So let's search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and open this. And as you can see that this is the extension which we have to add. So you all can see that I have already installed this extension, but you can install it right from here. And after installing this extension, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. So it is really important that you refresh the spreadsheet, because otherwise you'll not be able to get the option of this extensions in Pabbly Connect webhooks over here. Once you get this Pabbly Connect webhooks, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then towards this initial setup. And once we open this, it is asking me for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So what we have to do is we have to paste the URL which we copied from the workflow in this webhook URL field. And now for the trigger column, I'm going to enter my trigger column, which is C. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that data will be sent towards your webhook URL, and Pabbly Connect's workflow is going to get triggered. So let's say I want that whenever I add these three details, my details should be sent towards Pabbly Connect automatically. The ideas should be generated and added back into my Google Sheets. So I've selected my trigger column as C. But if you want to send two details or a single detail or four details, then you can add the trigger column according to your own choice, which is A, B or D. Alright, after entering this trigger column and webhook URL, you have to click on this button which says submit. And yes, now it is saying setup configured successfully. So with this, we have successfully created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. But now it is saying waiting for webhook response. And in order to capture this webhook response, you have to go towards this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure that this button is switched on, which is send on event. And if this button is not switched on, you can simply click on it and it will get on. Alright, it is really important to switch on this button, because now whenever we're going to do a test submission right over here in the spreadsheet, automatically the data will be sent towards the webhook URL. Alright, so let's do the test submission. Let's add the marketing goal. Now I'm going to add the target audience, and at last I'm going to add this product or service. And with this, we have successfully completed the test submission. So now let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for for the same. You're going to see all the details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, and first we're going to generate the content ideas, and then only we can add it. All right, so to generate these content ideas, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to use OpenAI. So to generate the content, I'm going to use OpenAI. You can use Google, Gemini, Perplexity. Pabbly supports most of the AI tools. Now for the event, we have to select it as ChatGPT and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection, and it is asking for the token. And to get this token, you have to open your OpenAI API key page. No need to worry, you're going to get the link for the same over here. You just have to click on this and a page something like this will open. Go on this create new secret key, enter your key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button, and over here your key is ready. So let's copy this key and paste it right over here in this token section and click on this save, and your OpenAI account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the AI model. So I'm going to use GPT-5. You can use any another of your choice. For the prompt, I'm going to enter the prompt using which we are going to generate the ideas. Alright, so let's enter this prompt over here. So I've entered this prompt according to my own business needs. You can enter it according to yours. And now Pabbly is going to generate, or you can say OpenAI is going to generate me the content. You can also see that I've mentioned that I want the output in JSON format so that I can map it further. So if you wish, you can definitely copy my prompt too. I'm going to attach my workflow link in the description box below, and you can use this same prompt for your own business too. You just have to change the details, which is the input details. So yes, you're going to see we have received the reply. You're going to see over here is the Facebook idea. You're going to see the Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and the hashtags too. Now let's add these in Google Sheets. I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as update row, and now I'm going to click on this connect. If you have already created this connection, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. And now we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. And after selecting the Gmail account, Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So let's click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry. Now we have to select the spreadsheet, and then we have to select the sheet in which we want to add the details. So as you can see, this is my spreadsheet and sheet. Now it is asking me for the row index, so let's map it. I'm going to search for row index and I'm going to map it. So now we don't have to map these three details because these are already added, right? I'm going to simply map the details which my AI generated, like this Facebook idea, Instagram idea, and so on. So one by one, I'm going to map all of these details. First, I'm going to map it for Facebook, then Instagram, then LinkedIn, and now I'm going to map it for Twitter. And now let's move on further. I'm going to map the hashtags too. So yes, you can see that I've successfully mapped all of these details. Now let's click on this save and send test request, and we have received the positive response that we have added these details. So let's open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details have been added. You're going to see all the details are exactly the same which my AI agent generated, and with this we have successfully completed this workflow and this video too. Now, like I showed you in the starting of this video, that whenever we're going to add these three details in this Google Sheets, automatically the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X idea and also the hashtags will be generated. Then further, my team can review these details and edit or change these details according to their own choice. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. As I mentioned, for your reference, I'll attach my workflow link in the description box below. You can check out my prompt and copy and use it for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.